I am Regie Ford, President, CEO of SEB Mortgage. I have been in the mortgage industry for over 20 years. I've probably touched every part of the mortgage industry. I've always wanted to open my own mortgage company. I wanted to be able to give back to the community and help people. And I thought about it and I thought about it. But something just wasn't working out just right. And then it hit me. I wanted to honor my mother. And I wanted to honor her by being able to open this company in her name. And that's what I did. Her name is Essie B, Essieb. But I wanted to figure out a clever way to say her name, but also attribute some of her attributes to the company. So that's how I started the company. That's why I named the company after my mother, the SEB. It could stand for many things. She was a strong woman. She was effervescent. She was always believing that if you want something and you strive for it, you can do it. So that's the essence of how SEB originated. So the meaning of SEB Mortgage, it can go any kind of way. It's not an acronym. When you say SEB, you're saying my mother's name. So it actually incorporates how she thought about moving around. She was a strong woman. She was everlasting. She had strong beliefs. She believed in helping people, and that's one of the things I wanted to do when I honored her. I knew this company would be a community organization company. I knew it would be a company that was for the community that happened to do loans. The foundation of any company, I believe, starts with the mission and starts with the values. The number one line, the very first thing in our mission is to make sure that we give back to the community. People always talk to me about, hey, congratulations on your mortgage company. But I tell them it's a community activist company that happens to do mortgages. That's simply what it is. We have so many people who really want to own a home and take advantage of the American dream, but they don't know how to. And that's where SEB comes in. Our values. We want to make sure that we operating out of integrity. We want to make sure that we have respect for the person that we are working with. We want to make sure that we are special in every way because every person that comes to us for a loan, they're different. And we want to make sure we treat them that way, treat them with respect and honor and integrity. That's what the values of SEB Mortgage is. You know, customer service is something that's huge with SEB Mortgage. And customer service, to me, seemed like it has gone out of the window. And that is what separates us, I think, from many other companies. I think when you can call a person on the phone and you can get an answer, and you don't have to wait 24 hours or 48 hours for someone to return a phone call. When someone can come to you and walk you hand in hand, explain everything to you, I think that sets everything aside. I think when a person puts your well-being over the income that they can make, I think that sets us aside. And I'm the owner, I'm the CEO. You can call me. My phone number is out there. That's not always an option for many companies. So SEB Mortgage is one of the companies that makes sure that customer service is always on point. So wealth is, we were taught to go to school, get good grades, and go work for someone else. That's fine. But our income is capped at whatever that job holds us to. But if you own your own home, you do two things. When you make your mortgage payment, you're putting equity back into your home. Homes appreciate. So if your home appreciate, you're building more equity. I've known several people who've refinanced their home and sent their kids to college, and their kids didn't have to get student loans. I've known people who've refinanced their home, pulled money out, and bought rental property, so now they have a passive income coming in. Myself, I refinanced my home to start SEB Mortgage. So you too can refinance your home and do whatever, go on a trip, start a business. I have many different stories that I can share with you how refinancing or purchasing a home helped the client. I'm gonna give you one. This young man, he refinanced his home. Credit score was less than meager. No one could do it. No one wanted to talk to him about his credit score because it was less than what we typically see for credit scores, and a lot of problems what other loan officers or companies would say will come with that. Came to me. We refinanced him. He paid off all of his debt. He pulled out additional $20,000 because he wanted to buy an investment property. Within 2 months, his credit score, since he paid off all of his debt, increased over 80 points. Wow. Now he's in a financial position to buy that investment property. His credit score has increased and he's debt free. I have many stories like that, but in order to see something like that or believe it, you have to be part of the process. And most people are afraid because they say, "Oh, I don't have the credit score." Let us determine that.